Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create hierarchies. What are hierarchies? Hierarchies are groups of columns arranged in levels. For example, a geography hierarchy might have sub-levels for country, state, county, and city. Hierarchies can appear separate from other columns in a reporting client field list, making them easier for users to navigate and include them in a report. You can create hierarchies using the model design view. You do that in the diagram view because creating and managing hierarchies is not supported in the data view. I'm going to create a category hierarchy in the dim product table, and we're going to be doing this in the diagram view. So click on extensions and then click on model, and then we have the model view. Select diagram view, and that will give you a diagram of the tables. Inside the diagram view, make sure you have the dim product table selected. Right click on it and select create hierarchy, and it will create the hierarchy at the bottom of the table. So if I expand this table, you can see that we now have a new hierarchy, which is called hierarchy 1. So I'm going to rename the hierarchy. So I select it and right click and click rename, and I'm going to call it category. So I've named the hierarchy category. Next, I'm going to click and drag the product category name column to the new category hierarchy. So I have the product category name here from the table. So I'm just going to drag it and drop it in the category. You can see now under the category, we'll now have the product category name. I'm going to rename the column I just dragged into the category hierarchy. So I'll click on the column, right click, I'm going to select rename, and I'm going to call it category. So I've renamed the column to category. Next, I'm going to click and drag the product subcategory name and drag that into the hierarchy, and I'm going to rename it to subcategory. So I right click, select rename, and I'm going to call it subcategory. So I've renamed it to subcategory. I have added two more columns to the hierarchy category. So I've added the model name column, which is this column here. So I've added it here and then renamed it to model. I've also added the English product name and I've renamed it to product. So if I scroll up here, we can see we have a column called English product name. So I renamed that to product inside the category. I'm going to end this part of the video here. In part 2, we will create another hierarchy. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.